To install a microprocessor, remove any neighboring DIMMs to allow easier access to the microprocessor. Open the microprocessor socket release levers and retainer. Remove the microprocessor socket protector cover if it is installed. Place the microprocessor into the socket. Make sure the microprocessor pins are in the correct position. Close the microprocessor socket release levers and retainer. Install the heatsink onto the microprocessor socket. Reapply thermal grease if necessary. Tighten the screws on the heatsink.